Hello and welcome to Budash's Expense Manager. This tutorial will help you use this app easily and efficiently. So let's start with it. First of all, download the app from the Google Play Store and you will see an icon like this. So click on it. Now you can see a pop-up window appear in which you can add amount, categories, your date of expense, any extra info here. So let's add an expense. First of all, click on the plus icon given here, enter the amount, like for example we enter 1000, select the date, a calendar appears in this. You can select the date according to your criteria. Okay, there are certain categories given here, you can select any one of them. So we are selecting foods and drinks. Now to save this expense, you can click on save given here. Now you can see in expenses March here, 13th March 2015, foods and drinks 1000 rupees. This is the expense you have added just. Now here you can see there are categories and there are two icons, one plus and one is minus. Plus is to add a new category and minus is to remove any category. So let's add a category. Click on plus, add category name. For example, we specify it as mobile bill. Click on add category. You can see mobile bill is added in the category list. You can select it and again add an amount like 700 rupees. Expense date as 18th March 2015. Click OK and save. Now you can see in expenses March, mobile bill category 18th March 2015, 700. Now you can see, you can also remove the categories given here. Click on minus. You can see a list of categories appearing here. So you can select more than one at a time, and like we are removing maintenance and hobbies. So click on remove category. You can see both the categories are removed from here. So let's move further. Here three slides appear. First is to add an expense, which we have done yet. Expenses in which current year's expenses appears, like in 2015 January month there are 4 expenses specified here. February there are 3 expenses, and in March there are 4 expenses. Now to see previous years or more than all the years expenses, go on history. You can see here January 2015, February 2015, March 2015, every month of which expenses you have added. So you can see there are various months and years and amount of them added here. So there is also an option to sort them according to the criteria. So let's click on sort by. There are 3 options. You can sort it by year, which is by default. Sort by amount, on which the amount on the increasing to decreasing amount will be sorted, and sort by month, in which January, February, according to this all the expenses were sorted. Now we can see there is also a navigation drawer in which there are 3 main options and 2 others. Main options are statistics. So click on statistics. Statistics is the window in which you can see all the statistics related to your expenses. So click on select here. There are 3 years because we have added 3 years expenses. So select any one. As we select 2014, you can select any month from it. Here list appears. You can select as July. You can see here pie chart appears of July 2014, in which the shopping consists of half of the amount spent on July 2014 and some of the amount in foods and drinks, some in entertainment, and some in vehicle servicing. You can also change it from here, like April and October, like this, June. So here you can see June 2013 pie chart appears according to your expenses. You can also zoom in and zoom out them, and there are three options. One is to zoom, one is to zoom out, and one is to get to its original size. There are choices given here. Click on the choices. There are two options: amount versus month, amount versus year. So click on amount versus month. For amount versus month, you have to first select the year. So we select 2014. You can see here a vertical bar chart appears, in which you can see February, April, July, October, December, all of them with their respective amounts. Like February has 3,500, April has 2,500, and so on. You can also change the year from here, like this, and this is the bar chart. Another option is amount versus year. This will show which year your expense is more. So here you can see 2015, 14 and 13. In 15 you only spent 10,300. In 2014 you only spent 15,300, and in 2013 you only spent 16,200. So you can see as the year goes on, your expense is reducing. So that's a good sign. Okay, let's move on to the next option, which is set currency. To set currency, click on set currency. There are various options to set your currency. First is rupee, yen, dollar, pound, franc, euro, and others. If you select any one, like we select it as dollar, it will ask set dollar as currency. Okay, now you can see in expenses below amount in dollar. Now change the currency in pound. Okay, now you can see amount in pound, and if the currency of your country is not amongst one of them, select others. Now you can see amount in others. Set limit. Set limit is the option which will indicate you that this is the limit of your expense this particular month. So if you expense more than that, the sign will appear red, otherwise it will become blue. So let's see. Select here 2014, select month, like we selected October. Enter limit as 5,000. Click on done. Save. So we can see in history 2014 October, limit 5,000 and amount spent is 2,200. So you can see as amount spent is less than limit, the limit is in blue color. But let's change it. Select year 2014 October, limit as 2,000. Then if you set limit as 2,000, then you can see limit 2,000 and amount spent 2,200. If it is greater than it, then the limit will become red. So this is the benefit of set limit. And you can also remove the limits. As we have added only one, there is only one option, and you can select it and remove it. Okay, now you can see limit is removed from here. There are various other options in expenses, like select any expense. There are 3 expenses done in January month of 2013. They are vehicle servicing, transportation, foods and drinks, and their amounts. To edit or delete particular expense, you can click on it. There are 2 options. First is to edit amount spent. You can edit it like 1100, You can change the category, or if you don't want to change the category, click on cancel. You can change the date, you can change the extra info, and all like this. You can see the amount is 1100, and if you want to delete any particular expense, you can click on it, click on delete expense. You can see the expense is deleted. So, and if you want to delete a particular month from your expenses, then you click on it, long press it. You can see a dialog asking for, do you want to delete this expense? There are two options, cancel or delete. If you click on delete expense, your expense will be deleted like this. You can see February is gone. And same here, delete expense, March is deleted. Click on January, select any one of them, edit expense, change the amount from 300 to 1550. Okay, you can see the amount is changed as 1550. So that's all. Thank you. Please do like, share and review. Your reviews will be entertained. Thank you.